Okay, so here we are again, and so when I put it all back, it's kind of going to look like that, and then it'll be all attached, and there'll be backing and a seat and everything else. I'm going to make a couple of turnstile tables here on this side. They're going to turn. You'll be able to sit here and eat, and on this side, you'll be able to turn the table, sit here and eat. So. Um, And those are simple. I was just gonna bend some pipe and use some of the old stuff from the old table. They have these sliding mechanisms on the old table. So, um, anyways, so that's uh, that's the next thing. And this is all already installed. Everything in here. I haven't cleaned everything up, but all the kitchen sink is installed. The water's installed. Um, all the all the cabinets are in. These don't wobble. Now they're completely fixed. This thing is completely secure, not like it was. Um, so now I do have water, and the pump is working, and I have lots of battery and not much water, and the gray water is pretty much empty. So, and you can tell the water pump is working. So, um, another couple of days and this ought to be finished. Oh, I still have to put that thing in the back over there, and so still got some work. I put a piece of sheet metal on the bottom down there. Another piece of sheet metal just to separate that piece um, just from the just a barrier. I'll probably put some kind of insulation or something, um, but I don't think it matters. But anyways, that just make me feel better. Um, so yeah, everything's connected. The water heater's connected. Works. Uh, that's about it. Next thing is this this bed, and then after and the seat bed here or whatever, and then I'm going to do the outside is going to get a special designed aluminum uh, kind of like like a platform out there that's going to fold, and then it'll be ready. So hopefully I'll have it ready for hunting season, and maybe if I get enough work done. So, anyways, okay. See you later, campers. Bye.